Hi, this is Mariana from Zen Music and Wellness, Mindful Music, and Nutrition. Today, I would like to give you some tips on making paleo pancakes. I used the very simple mix by Birchbenders. All you need for this mix is water. However, I have added other things in the past, such as sprinkles of cinnamon, dash of vanilla, or even some chocolate chips from Enjoy Life. Enjoy Life chocolate chips are soy-free, dairy-free, and gluten-free. With this mixture, as with any paleo or gluten-free mixture, you want to let it rest for at least 5 minutes once it's all combined. This way you get a smooth and consistent texture for your pancakes. Be sure to preheat and oil your pan with avocado oil before starting. You might find that you need to set your range top at a lower heat than usual. I like to set mine at medium heat. You might also need to wait a little while longer before flipping the pancakes. Thank you for joining us at Zen Music and Wellness.